Hello, cryptocurrency has come to stay, and as you know, not all the countries in the world permits the transaction with cryptocurrencies. E.g., some African countries don't, some European countries don't, some Asian countries too don't also allow this. You know the stories with China and etc. Today, we're going to bring you 5 countries that you can live in and transact cryptocurrencies without any hassle. Number 1 on the list is Malta. Malta is a cryptocurrency friendly island where Bitcoin investors can enjoy investing. The island has many blockchain projects and crypto exchanges, meaning that Bitcoin investors have easy access to these essential services. You can easily trade Bitcoin in Malta using many available crypto exchanges. Number 2 is Singapore. Singapore is also a crypto-friendly country that its laws allows you to live and trade in the country. The government adopted the Payment Services Act in 2019, providing crypto regulations. The country has crypto regulations to prevent illicit activities, but continues to provide a supportive environment for cryptocurrencies to thrive. For example, the government doesn't impose a capital gains tax on cryptocurrencies, which is suitable for Bitcoin investors. Number 3 is Switzerland. Switzerland provides a crypto-friendly environment for Bitcoin traders. Apart from allowing the use of Bitcoin, the country adopts a lenient approach to cryptocurrencies. Switzerland has been known for high banking standards that emphasize privacy and low risks. Bitcoin users will find this environment suitable for investment, especially when they want their assets to remain private. Portugal. The Portuguese crypto laws are lenient for Bitcoin investors. They encourage more investment in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, especially for individual investors. Apart from not charging capital gain taxes on Bitcoin, Portugal does not impose any tax when exchanging crypto for fiat currency. And this makes it cheaper and more profitable to invest in Portugal because of the low taxation requirement. The last on the list is Germany. Long-term Bitcoin investors will find a crypto-friendly environment in Germany. The country treats cryptocurrency as private money. Those who have owned cryptocurrencies for over a year are exempt from capital gain taxes. So long-term Bitcoin investors can take advantage of this to maximize their Bitcoin gains. Now you have it. 5 countries that you can easily live in and do your crypto business without any hassle. Why can't this just be the whole world? We pray it comes soon.